Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a to-do list to your Excel file on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. Then tap on this insert button at the top on the left side of the screen, tap on mini templates and then click on the second option, to-do list. So here you can find the table inserted to your file, including a to-do column. Then the next one is assigned to, that's the second one. Then the third column includes the due dates, and then the completed section is also here. If you want to, you can add additional rows and columns by tapping on the home button and go to this insert section where you can insert cells, rows and columns to it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.